All right, so in this video, I want to show you the 5 top dispute features that the Client Dispute Manager, which is a credit repair software, has that you probably did not know about that can really help you in your business. If you're helping people with their credit, these features are going to help you. All right, so what we want to do, we first want to start with, as you guys already know, the Client Dispute Manager software is extremely powerful credit repair business software, right? And it's designed for people who are running a business, who's helping people with credit. And I want to share with you the 5 top dispute methods or modules inside of the Client Dispute Manager that, you know, if you didn't know about, well, now you'll know about them, okay? All right, so the first thing I want to talk about is our AI and our factual AI and consumer law engine, right? This is a dispute engine, and we call it AI factual and consumer law. Now, why do we call it that? Because when you import a customer's credit report, what it will do, it will analyze the credit report, identify the inconsistent information and inaccurate information, and then it'll draft a consumer law or factual based dispute letter based on your choosing, because we have different categories of different type of dispute categories that you can choose, and it'll do it for you in less than 30 seconds. It'll generate the letter, it'll pick the dispute reasons, it'll pick the dispute instructions, all for you very, very quickly, saving you a lot of time, a lot of frustration, especially if you're new to the industry. You really don't know which letters to choose, what dispute reasons to choose. But what we always say is that make sure that you talk to your customer first, make sure you understand what they want to dispute first, what inaccurate information they told you, before you use our AI and factual attack engine. Because although the technology is smart, and although it'll choose the letters, it'll choose the dispute reasons, everything for you, you still have to consult with your customer so your customer can tell you exactly which items they want to dispute. The other part of our AI engine is our Metro 2, our Metro 2 compliance-based letters. Now, this is built right into the software. It's automated, it's quick, it's accurate, identifies all of the inaccurate information again, and compiles a Metro 2 base dispute letter for you within seconds. And now this is all included inside of the Client Dispute Manager, so you don't have to go to an outside company to generate or buy or purchase your Metro 2 base letters, because we have them already built here inside of the Client Dispute Manager. One of our other powerful features is our 270 default dispute letters. That's right, 270 dispute letters that you can choose from randomly. It covers almost every situation you can possibly think of when it comes to generating a letter for your customer, and you can pick any of these dispute letters. They're all built inside of the Client Dispute Manager. They all come with every plan that we have. They're credit repair based, the credit repair software, ready to go dispute letters, and you can choose from all of them. You know, we have dispute flows, we have campaign letters, we have general letters, we have creditor letters, we have collector letters, we even have respond letters. We have letters that you can use to respond to credit bureaus when they fail to investigate, when they send you stall letters. So we got different categories of letters that you can use to respond to these credit bureaus, okay? All right. Another powerful feature that we have in the Client Dispute Manager is the AI rewriter. That's right. It's the AI rewriter. Well, what is that? Well, the AI rewriter simply rewrites any letter that you want it to do. It won't rewrite manual letters, but all of our 270 default letters, it will rewrite the letter with a click of a button, creating and making unique letters so you can send to the credit bureaus. So no more template letters. If you're thinking about, man, you know, I don't want any template letters. Well, the AI rewriter has solved that problem. You will no longer have template letters when you use our AI rewriter feature. It's extremely powerful. You got to use it. You got to try it. And all you have to do is hit one button. It'll rewrite the letter for you to give you a fresh letter for your particular customer. Okay, so these are very powerful features for you to choose inside of the Client Dispute Manager. Now, our next one is your own letters. That's right. A lot of people come to us and they say, hey, listen, I want to bring my own dispute letters to the Client Dispute Manager. No problem. You can You can upload thousands of your own manual letters into the client dispute manager without a problem. Now, not only do we have the main category where you can input your own letters, but we have what we call subcategories. Now we have subcategories, which is a subcategory of a main category, and you can add thousands of individual letters and put them in different categories based on what worked, what didn't work, law letters, stall letters, whatever you want to add, you can add it inside of our new advanced manual letter upload feature. Extremely powerful. All of these features are extremely powerful, and they're all available to you in the Client Dispute Manager. Now, just for watching all the way through, we want to give you a 30-day free trial, a 30-day free trial of the Client Dispute Manager. And all you have to do is go to clientdisputemanager.com/register, clientdisputemanager.com/register for a 30-day free trial. You can also look for this URL inside of the description of this video as well, and you can get your free 30-day trial of the Client Dispute Manager, no credit card required.